let's see if Google can help us spice things up. We're more specifically having the cravings for some West African food. Their dishes are harmoniously balanced with flavors that remind us of the Afro-Caribbean dishes back home. Like their Yassa chicken, for example, which can also be done with seafood. It's a tasty stew with caramelized onions, peppers, citrus juice, and pure magic.
Alright, it's lunchtime.
Yeah, we're in the Hyde Park neighborhood. We're going to a place called Goree Cuisine, so let's go check it out.
Look at my shrimp. That looks amazing.
It looks amazing. It smells amazing.
So I got jollof rice and Yassa shrimp.
Yassa shrimp. Alright. You said that was Yassa shrimp?
Yassa shrimp. Did I say it right?
I think so. Olives. It's like vinegary? Mm-hmm. No?
Like a stew with the tomatoes and onions and garlic.
Okay. Is it spicy at all?
No, it's just savory. It's really good. Try the rice?
Yeah, try the jollof.
It's nice and simple. It's a little spicy, but it goes really well with the shrimp. So, with that sauce.
Awesome. Same thing.
Yeah, from Puerto Rico.
So it's like, it's a good contrast to like this.
Yeah.
So, you know how I'm always saying like I don't like spicy food? This is the reason.
It's not that you don't like it, you like it.
I like spicy.
But we did a good job, check it out.
Yeah. Let us know what other West African dishes y'all love, and what other interesting foods you're hoping to find here in Chicago. Let us know in the comments down below.